Hi there, I'm Justin from the OnlineBusinessEssentials.com. For years, I've been creating online businesses in the 3D modeling space on YouTube. I've built multiple different YouTube channels totaling over 500,000 subscribers and over 60 million views, and I've also received 2 YouTube Silver Play buttons. But more importantly than that, I've been able to build multiple different businesses making money based on those topics. I've been able to make money online using AdSense, affiliate marketing, online courses, and memberships. And on this channel, I'm going to show you the tools and strategies that you can use in order to do the same. One of the things I'm going to do on this channel is I'm going to keep it simple. I honestly don't believe that you need to have crazy camera equipment, insane editing, or professional level design skills in order to create an online business based on the back of a YouTube channel. I honestly believe that there's an easier way, and we're going to talk about the tools, tactics, and strategies of how you can do that on this channel. I'm really passionate about these tools and strategies, and I'd be really excited to have you along for the ride. Don't be afraid to leave a comment below the videos. One of the reasons I love being on YouTube is because I get to interact with people, answer their questions, learn from them, other things like that. So don't be afraid to hit that comment button. There's no stupid questions. So that's it for now, and welcome to the Online Business Essentials.